Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to introduce ActiveCampaign. So you might be wondering, why in the world do I need ActiveCampaign? Isn't Facebook ads just about advertising on Facebook, capturing a lead and giving them a call? No, at least not the way that we want to do it as far as the accelerated lead generation program, right? We want to be able to get their information and yes, reach out to them right away. That's critical, especially for these types of ads because they're thinking about buying a home right now. So it's really important that we reach out to them. However, we all know that the real estate sales cycle is very, very lengthy, sometimes as long as years. So we want to be able to remarket to our prospective buyers and sellers over and over again for perhaps a really long time. ActiveCampaign will allow us to do just that. Your list, by the way, side note, is the absolute most important part of your business as a whole. So the bigger your list, the more successful you'll be long-term, at least if you market properly to that list and stay in touch with those prospective buyers. Anyways, this video's gone on for a really long time, and it's really just a tiny little intro video. So ActiveCampaign, that's next. If you don't have it, go ahead and get it. Do the cheapo plan or the second tier plan up. That's the best one. Anyways, yeah, we'll see you on the other side of the intro. Alright guys, now we're going to move into ActiveCampaign. So this is going to be where we house the lead information once we've captured it. And what's incredibly valuable at ActiveCampaign is we're able to then market to those leads forever. So obviously we want to get the process, get the show on the road up front, and hopefully, you know, start working with these people and getting them in a house more sooner than later. But you guys all know the sales cycle in real estate's generally pretty long. Usually we can, that's okay, you know, we're in this for the long haul, and we'll compile leads over time and we'll hit them at some point in time if we have their information. So go ahead and go to ActiveCampaign, log in. You guys probably should have already created your account. Just log in here. So I'm going to log in again to my partner's Ben's account. And actually the next page you should get would probably be email, password. You go ahead and log that in. And this is kind of the dashboard of what ActiveCampaign looks like. So as you can see, I've been working with Ben for a few months now. He's got 1,000 contacts. I'm going to split this into several videos, but the first thing we want to do is hit the list button. We're going to create a list that these buyers will flow into. So you click list and you click add new list, and we're going to call this list the St. Francis Renter, because that's the name of the campaign. It's somebody that's currently renting and they want to buy a house. Now I think it's important to know that this particular section and this particular section are not seen by your buyers, so don't worry about what it says. It's more for your reference. And then we want to assign a website to this. Not super important, but I usually use the landing page that is out of the ClickFunnels site. So we'll go ahead and put that there. And then here we just want to say, you know, you're receiving this because you are interested in purchasing a home in St. Francis. So this is for the lead. They will see this, and it's just a reminder as to why you're emailing, so they don't get bent out of shape and think you're spamming them. They opted in, and you're just kind of reminding them why. And then you hit create list. And then we've got a list. So it is in here. Ben and I have done a ton of campaigns, so it is in here, I assure you. And we'll hit the next step in the next video.